Hello, what's up YouTube? Tanya Mack here, coming at you again to show you my hair of the day. And I took out my twist. Today is dress down day at work, so I'm putting my hair down, and I took my twist out, and I used a, when I take them out, I pretty much just pull and fluff them. I don't separate them. And I think I got that one from a style from Natural 85 that she did on Mini Twist. And so I did that as well with my small twist that I had in all this week, and just took those out. Yes, I said I was going to wear them for 2 weeks straight, but I just felt like, wearing my hair loose for the remainder of the next week. And I won't manipulate it a whole lot. I will just tuck it in, pin it, and various styles like that. So I just wanted to bring you what I have today. And the style I have today is pretty much just 2 twists right here, tucked to the back. It took less than 5 minutes. And I got that style from Simply Unique. And I believe that's her name. I will definitely put it in the description box so that you guys can see that style. But really, there was nothing to it. Her video took all of 5 minutes, probably 3 minutes to do, and it was very simple and easy. So it's something that you can definitely do in less than 5 minutes when you're getting ready to go to work. And you know, I'm all about the simple, I'm all about the quick, and this was definitely one of those. So check out Simply Unique and try this style for yourself. Let me know how you like it, how it looks on you, and how easy it was to do. So definitely going to have a great Friday. It's going to be a busy week for me. My husband's out of town, and the kids have track meets. So it's going to be busy, but it's going to be great. Stay blessed. Peace out.